So hey guys, in this video we'll talk about start and update components in our scripting. So firstly, let's make a folder which will contain all of our scripts. So we'll name it scripts, and then we'll open it and add a script, C# script, basic, or let it be a movement. We'll open it. The script is being compiled, as you can see here. Now the script is now our script is compiled, and we'll open it. It opens up in Visual Studio. So firstly, we'll see two components, start and update. So what does this two means? So start means, for example, as we hit play here, so when our game starts, before the first frame hits, the game mechanics will check this function. So if it will check like whatever you want, such as if the player has hit the ground, or if the player is being in any influence of physics. Start function will execute only once at the start. The start itself means the function executes only once at the start. And this update function means that for every frame update, for every frames that update, it will check this function, like what are in these functions. For example, if your game is running at 30 frames per second, it will check 30 times in a second. For example, if you are moving and if you have applied a constant value, so it will apply that constant value for every previous frame 30 times in a frame. For example, if you have a old computer or old laptop which runs at 10 FPS, and I have, for example, if I have a very good computer or a laptop which can run at 150 frames per second, then the movement at your machine will be very slow, and movement at my machine will be very fast. So every time not update is being used, so the fix for that is fixed update. So this fixed update we commonly use it, it updates at a fixed interval of time despite frames per seconds. So this is a much more reliable function to be used in a game. So that is it. I think I've made clear what does a start function do and what does a update function do, and I've also provided you a better function for update one. So that's it for now. And make sure you like the video if you found it informative, and subscribe it for more gaming development related content. And thank you. Goodbye.